Welcome back to the video series of personality development and human values. Today, we are going to talk about the decision making. Everybody has to take a decision at some point of time. Or you can say we have to take these petty decisions daily. So how to take these decisions? What are the factors which influences this decision? And how to make a perfect decision? Let us find out what Oxford Learner Dictionary says about the decision making. It defines the process of deciding about something important, especially in a group of people or in an organization. So Oxford Learner Dictionary has confined it to the group or the organization only, while individual decision making is also important. Now coming to Twertha and Newport, what they define? They say decision making involves the selection of a course of action from among two or more possible alternatives in order to arrive at a solution for a given problem. So they have related it with the available solutions that can be two or more than two. In psychology, decision making is regarded as the cognitive process resulting in the selection of a belief of a course of action among several possible alternatives, options. So in psychology also we have to select the decision from the possible alternative options. It could be either rational or irrational. So it is a process which can be more or less rational or irrational and can be based on explicit or tacit knowledge and belief. There is one term known as analysis paralysis. This paralysis is because of the extreme analysis. So the main causes for analysis paralysis is the overwhelming flood of incoming data. Number of data are incoming, or the tendency to overanalyze the situation at hand. Another term is information overload. It is a gap between the volume of information and the tools we have to assimilate. So whatever tools you are having, they are not in the position to handle the large information. That is known as the information overload. When it comes to decision making techniques, we can divide it into two different categories. One is group decision making technique and other is individual decision making technique. When coming to a general decision making style, we are having 5 decision making styles. First is the rational style, the second one is intuitive style, and third one is dependent style, and the fourth one is avoidant, and the last one is the spontaneous. So these are the 5 different styles of decision. Now at the last we come to the effective decision making steps. So we hurriedly go for 7 steps. What are different 7 steps for making the effective decisions? The very first one is identification of the decision. The second one is gather relevant information. The third one is identify the alternatives. And the fourth one is weigh the information and evidences. And fifth one is the choose among alternatives. And the sixth stage is take action. And the last one and seventh one is review your decision and its consequences. So these are the things, 7 steps which are going to help you in the making decisions. This is all about decision making. In the next video, we'll talk about the problem solving. Till then, goodbye. Have a happy and healthy life ahead. Thank you.